Mr. Hamadullah Sheikh, the Administrator Beacon English course, Mr. Ghulam Rasul Gurur Sahab, and precious guests, and boys and girls, Assalamu alaikum. I'm very much thankful to the organization committee for inviting me to such a precious gathering, and I'm again thankful to the organizing committee for giving me a chance to give you few words. It is a great honor for me that a young and dynamic generation of Jaipur city is learning English in a proper place. English is the contemporary language now. It is not the language of Pakistan. It is not the formal language of Pakistan only, but it is the communication and technology language of the world. So the thing you are doing is great. The thing you are giving your effort is important. So that I would like to advise all the youth, girls and boys here, learn the language and compete with this language with the world. Thank you very much once again to the organizing committee and Hamadullah Sheikh Sahab for giving me this opportunity, and I am sorry to request from you to give me an earlier chance so that I would go. Thank you very much.
माण्हू सभु न सुहिणा पखी सभु न हंज माण्हू सभु न सुहिणा पखी सभु न हंज कंहिं कंहिं माण्हूअ मंझि अचे बूई बहार जी. Now I am going to call retired headmaster Government Nas Pilot Secondary School Mr. Ghulam Rasul Gurur Sahab. Please clapping.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. लतीफ़ दुआ साइम सदाई करीम थे सिंध सुकार दोस्त मिठा दिलदार आलम सब आबाद करे. I want to greet all the friends sitting in front of me by name, but as there is no time at my disposal, so ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Long ago, there was concept of education that was formal and non-formal education. But now we have come to know that is third sort of education which has been common after 2000 or near about that. They are coaching centers like Beacon and other science centers, computer centers, which enhance the capacity of students, capabilities in students. That is the third, in my opinion, it is the third sort of education, other than formal and non-formal education. I did not know much about Beacon Institute before this, because I did not go there. Students told that there is a Beacon Institute, a Beacon Laboratory, Beacon school, whatever maybe. But I did not go in Beacon School to visit it. But now I have seen that Beacon is playing a very important role in the progress of English, which is the need of an hour. Mr. Saeed said that it is a way of communication, but I say that it is the age of competition. To pass competitions, to come into competitions, we have to teach our youngsters English very well. There are two, three most important skills. That is first, you all know that I have been associated with education since last 40 years. I know the nature of students, I know the capabilities of students, It is my opinion that about 80% of our students belonging to urban areas and rural areas do not even understand English fluently. They lack understanding. They cannot understand the news read on BBC. They cannot understand the news read on PTV. So it is my suggestion that Beacon must come forward and start the program. I don't know they have started or not. It is only my suggestion. If they are doing so, very well. Otherwise, audio and video cassettes must be used so that a student can understand the pronunciation used in European countries, used in America and UK and other advanced countries which our students like. Then they should give them chances for presentation so that they can speak English very well with correct pronunciation. Our students have no good pronunciation, I have noted it. Not all students. 20% of the students can speak English in a good. I have heard all the students, about 10 or 15 students have Beacon. Their pronunciation was very good. But this facility should be promoted to other students also. I invite investors of Kharpur. I invite business personality, business sector of Kharpur to come forward and construct a very good school, very good building in which languages can only be taught. As the same as Mr. Reddy Saab, what is university? Namal University, I think. In Islamabad, there is a Namal University which teaches languages, modern languages. So in Khairpur, we cannot introduce a school, but we cannot introduce university, but we can introduce one school in which our investors, our business community can play a major role. So I will, inshallah, form a group of friends and invite formally to business community to come forward and encourage such institutions in which our students can learn English, which is the language of competitive world. I am not feeling very well today. My blood pressure has been raised after 12 o'clock, but I did not leave this kachari due to the participation of these students. I did not want to discourage them by leaving the seat. So thank you very much. Inshallah, again we meet in next. Thank you very much.